Okay, so we're gonna do this is the best of car crashes. Came out about 2 days ago, so let's see what we can do with this one.
This was Centurion.
Seriously, you can't pick your shit. Well, you gotta make sure that shit's fastened, man.
I hope it's not a cat.
Okay, that was weak. I hate when people do that. That guy was clearly sleeping.
That was shit crazy.
Over here to the side, but you can barely see. Ooh! Did he not know it was a red light? He had a red light? Jeez, man.
Holy.
That should have been you. Oh my God.
Every step of the way, they offer all types of loans, including jumbo, MHFA, FHA, and VA loans. And for you,
I hate that. I hate that. Because you don't know if the guy is going straight or not.
for more information or to apply for a loan, visit SouthShoreBank.com.
So you'd really have to go from Georgia State to UTK and then up and around back to Athens, which sucks. Oh, hang on. Oh my.
What the hell did he do that for?
Call 911.
Okay. That motherfucker.
Yeah. So like people can come over and hang out and do stuff like that because I think that would be really fun on stream.
Yeah, it'd be awesome.
And I also think that I think I'm gonna need to have people over.
He got where it ended, huh?
Pardon?
Oh my God. So it cost him $700 to get that fixed? Jeez. Holy crap, these people do not care at all.
Travel team.
So,
Yeah.
okay, we'll do one more.
Wait.
There we go.
Woo!
Want me to call 242? Oh.
No, I guess they're fine. Oh no, he got a hit right there.
Oh, he's got it though.
Oh, damn.
Oh, you chasing him? There's a cop there too. Ooh, you know what? We're gonna pause it right here. But we're gonna come back and do a second video on this. This is a pretty good one to do. So rate, comment, subscribe, and till next time, people.